$100 per day. That is $36,000 per year. For most people, that is life-changing money. And with AI tools available today, a complete beginner can reach this target in 60 days or less. Here is the exact blueprint. Step 1 is choosing your income model. For beginners, AI content services are the fastest path, specifically offering short-form social media content packages to local businesses. Most small businesses know they need social media but have no time or skill to do it. You will solve this exact problem. Step 2 is creating your offer. Package your service as 30 social media posts per month for $250. Use ChatGPT to create all 30 posts in under 2 hours. Your profit per client is $200 after tool costs. You need just 5 clients to hit $100 per day. Step 3 is finding your first clients. Go to Instagram or Facebook and find 10 local businesses in your area with less than 1,000 followers. Message each one offering a free week of content with no obligation. Of 10, expect 2 to 3 to respond positively. Convert 1 or 2 into paying clients. Step 4 is delivering and retaining. Use AI to deliver consistently high-quality content on schedule every single month. Happy clients refer other clients. Most good clients stay for 6 months or longer, meaning your monthly income grows and stabilizes. Step 5 is scaling. Once you have 5 clients and a proven system, raising prices is easy. Move from $250 to $500 per month. 5 clients now generates $2,500 per month. $100 per day is not a dream. It is a math problem, and AI gives you every tool you need to solve it. Subscribe now, and I will show you the exact scripts and templates I use to close clients every week.